Welcome inside one of the most advanced dairy factories on Earth. Every drop of Hippo milk is monitored in real time using advanced sensor technology. The process begins with multi-stage filtration to achieve absolute purity. This facility is fully automated, designed for speed, precision, and consistency. Temperature control is critical, and here it's managed entirely by AI systems.
Hippo milk is collected in specially designed, stress-free environments.
The milking process is completely automated to ensure safety and hygiene. Once collected, the milk is sealed and transported without human contact. Automated docking ensures zero contamination during transfer. This is where raw Hippo milk officially enters the production line. Every batch is tested for quality before processing begins. AI systems analyze fat content, protein levels, and purity instantly. Human experts supervise the data, ensuring perfection at every stage. Only approved milk moves forward into cheese production. The milk is now ready for transformation. Exact cultures are added to initiate cheese formation. Pasteurization ensures safety while preserving nutrients. This is where liquid milk begins turning into curd. Whey is separated, leaving behind rich curds. Precision cutting defines the final texture of the cheese. Pressure and time shape the cheese. Every block is molded with absolute consistency. Aging conditions are tightly controlled for premium flavor.
This is million-dollar cheese in the making.
AI manages the aging process down to the smallest detail. Once aged, the cheese is sliced with robotic accuracy. Speed and hygiene are perfectly balanced. Once aged, the cheese is sliced with robotic accuracy. Each package is branded automatically. Final inspections ensure flawless presentation. Each package is branded automatically. No manual handling, zero contamination. Final inspections ensure flawless presentation. Finished products are stored at optimal temperatures. AI vehicles handle internal transportation. Distribution begins here. Hippo cheese is shipped worldwide. This factory operates 24/7. Everything is controlled from one central hub. Perfect harmony between technology and food production. This is not ordinary cheese. It's a luxury product. Trusted by top chefs worldwide. Crafted with precision. Powered by innovation. Running day and night. Reaching every corner of the world. This is how million-dollar Hippo milk products are made. Inside the future of dairy. Thanks for watching.